Hi Christian, I'm Dushaparan. I'm going to explain my project 2, which is based on modification done on project 1. First modification I have done is I have added on delay timers and off delay time to ensure that action is triggered after one action is completed. I have added delay of 50 milliseconds in raising and lowering action of the PNP cylinder, and I have added 500 milliseconds of delay in extending action of the PNP cylinder to ensure that it part doesn't stuck on the wall after part at pickup. I've added delay of 1 second in raising action of the stamp cylinder to ensure that the pressure readings are stabilized. I've also added delay of 1 second in turning on and turning off action of scale conveyor to ensure that part is off the scale conveyor. I've also modified the raising and lowering and extending and retracting action of the PNP to ensure that the picking and placing action is sped up. I use data manipulation, data comparison, and math operation to calculate weight, average weight, and average pressure, shift pass total, shift fail total, and total pass part stamp in this shift and in last shift. I have used retentive timer to time cycle time and process time. I have used TP variable text to show the data which is calculated. I have also used timers to show fault in the system if a cylinder takes longer than expected to complete an action. For blue light turns on when the part has the stamp has reached 70% of its life. Yellow light turns on when part has completed its lifespan and it is required service now. Green light indicates that weight of the part is in acceptable range, and gray light indicates that pressure of the stamp is in acceptable range. If service is done, it can the lifespan can be resetted by blue button, and that when then the light yellow light or blue light will be turned off. All the calculated can be resetted by gray button. Cycle time and process time can be resetted by green and yellow button. On the touch panel, red TP light indicates there is a fault in the system. So this was all about my project. Thank you and have a nice day.